very happy afternoon and welcome back to today's IQAC initiated UGC Stride sponsored workshop organized by Department of Biotechnology on latest modalities and techniques for molecular diagnosis of novel disease. I now request Shweta from first year biotechnology to welcome and introduce Dr. Kavita Kumar, microbiologist, National Tuberculosis Institute, Bangalore, to the second technical session.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. I, S.M. Shweta from first year CZBT, is honored to introduce Dr. Kavita Kumar, microbiologist, National Tuberculosis Institute, Bangalore. Dr. Kavita Kumar has pursued her postgraduate degree in biotechnology from Bangalore University, after which she has an experience of 2 years in research field while working at Biocon, Bangalore, and at MS Ramaya Institute of Technology as Junior Research Fellow. Dr. Kavita received her PhD degree from National Institute of Mental Health and Neurosciences, NIMHANS, Bangalore. With this is entitled Characterization of Drug-Resistant Mycobacterium tuberculosis isolated from cerebrospinal fluid with emphasis on immune response and ultrastructural study. Dr. Kavita has worked on different aspects of TB diagnostic methods like conventional and automated method of mycobacterium culturing, antibiotic susceptibility testing of mycobacteria electron microscopy TEM, 2D thin layer chromatography protein electrophoresis native and STS page, Western blotting in vitro cell culture protein purification and estimation ELISA .blot. Dr. Kavita has many research accomplishments in both national and international field, received indexed journals. She also has experience as a medical editor and research led to Healthminds Limited, Bangalore. Currently, Dr. Kavita is working as a microbiologist at one of the renowned institutes, National Tuberculosis Institute. As part of the job, Dr. Kavita is working on supervision and monitoring of the state labs for diagnostic capacity building through assessment and training. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, one and all.